BigCartel tutorial for beginners. Hello guys and welcome back. If you want to create your own website or store, stick around because I'll guide you step by step on how to set up a BigCartel site perfect for beginners. So make sure to watch up till the end for you to learn all the steps. First, on their website, click the Open Your Shop button. So here are the few pricing plans that cater to different needs depending on how big your store is or how many products you want to sell. So the free plan, which is the gold, is perfect if you're starting out or only have a few products to sell. Now we have here the paid plan, which is the platinum, that gives you a lot of more flexibility. You can sell up to 50 products, customize your store a bit more with better themes, and even add a custom domain. So we also have here the advanced plan, which is the diamond, and it's great if you're ready to seriously step up your game. It lets you sell up to 500 products and unlocks a ton of extra features like full access to HTML and CSS for deep customization. So as for now, we're going to select the gold one. Now we have to enter the shop name, our email address, shop URL, and then the password. And now that we're done, first enter your first name and then your last name. And then of course, you're going to answer all of this question. Just take your time doing all of this. You can just simply select based on what you're experiencing right now, and just also tell them what do you plan to sell. And if you're not sure, you can just simply select this and then click next. And then after that, you first need to verify your email address. And then once you're done, it will redirect to the dashboard of the website. So here is the next thing you need to do is to set your location and your currency. And once it's done, the next thing that we need to do is to create our product catalog. So click the add product button and you can choose between those three. So I'm going to add a product, and you can add the image of your product. So simply click the plus button and choose the picture of your product and enter the product name, description, categories. Now here you can choose if the status of your product is active, hidden, sold out, or coming soon. So here you can indicate the price of your product. So it must be based on the currency that you've select before. And you can add some variants. For example, you have a product for men and women, you can put it here. So I'm going to create for men's, and you should be put an indicating price for that product. Now if you scroll down, you can add a shipping for the country that you want to add here. So for example, I'm going to choose somewhere near my country. And here you should be indicating the total amount of the shipping. Now once you're done editing your product, you can click the save button. And we're going to the next thing that we need to do. Let's go back to dashboard. And here you can set up now your payments. So you can choose different payment methods. So they accept Stripe and then PayPal. And then once you're done doing your payment methods, you can go to your account and then you can edit your profile. So you can change your profile image and choose the picture that you want for your shop. And if you scroll down, there are things that you can do to design your shop. So click the go to shop designer. And here you have a lot of options that you can choose from. There are different templates, and you can also edit the color of your shop. So here we can go to template settings and manually edit your shop. So if you don't want to manually do that, you can go to templates. There are already made shop templates here. So here is the sample. Now, templates in BigCartel are essential because they provide an easy, professional, and customizable way to get your online store up and running. So they ensure consistency in design, improve user experience, and save your time so you can focus on what matters most, which is your products and your customers. So whether you're a creator, small business owner, or artist, using templates can help create a strong online presence and boost your sales potential. Now, once you're done editing your shop, you can also check the tabs of your shop here. You can go to products, and we can change the view from desktop to tablet and to phone. So here is the look to the phone users when they viewed your shop. So let's go back to our dashboard, and here is the orders section where you can see the orders, and here is the products of your shop. And you can also create discounts because it's simple and effective way to drive sales and attract more customers to your store. So whether it is a percentage off, a fixed amount off, or a limited time offer, discounts give your customers an incentive to buy and then can help build excitement around your brand. So overall, BigCartel is a fantastic platform for small businesses, creators, and artists who want a simple and effective way to sell online. And then that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and insights on growing your online business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.